disputed, Mr. Ramosepele. You also admitted that your client was inside the cells at Valeria.
Yes, I do.
So what's the problem? Now I argue the fact that it was not a cell or what, because the facts show that accused number 2 was arrested and incarcerated at Valeria, which is 150 or 200 meters away from that our post. I mean, please. So, unless you say what your client was in Rustenburg or Phuket or wherever, Natal or wherever. But you yourself, wait. You yourself, you say your client was incarcerated in Valeria. And that pole is 200 meters, is it?
220 meters.
220 meters from the cells. So what are we getting at, please?
No, my lord, you see, what is good for the gander must also be good for the geese.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. The state cannot, in one instance, they say, no, only the device was here, but the person may have been somewhere else.
Yes, they can't say that. But in this case, according to you, your client was in Valeria.
Yes.
According to you.
Yes.
That's it. So what are we arguing about?
My lord, perhaps, you see, my lord, at times, and I'll have to join Mr. Mgomezu's sentiment, I'm not that kind of a person. My lord has got a tendency to be impatient.
I'm sorry,
I'm sorry, I had to put you, my lord.
Look, if I'm wrong,
yes.
I admit, if I'm wrong. But you yourself, you said your client was at Valeria. And said, unless you say he was not there, fine. Then I withdraw everything.
Because the other evidence that we need to hear, and that's been the trend, we need to hear it from the clients, instead of the court saying, did you say so? Because this one I say yes, because the court is validating that answer for the witness.
No, I'm not. Just quoting the evidence, as you have admitted.
We are part of this evidence, my lord. We read the same evidence, we hear the same evidence that his lordship is hearing. My lord, it's 1 o'clock, may we take a longer agenda?
And this witness, he can't know where your client was. He can only testify about the device. But me, having listened to you putting the assertions, you said your client was at Valeria. And when Mokano says he got the phone at Valeria, you said to your client, he is not telling the truth. That's all.
That's not what this is.
So now I'm being excoriated for quoting the evidence.
No, let's take the long agenda.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zimasa, for all those who do not know me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us on yet another video. And if it is your first time here, you're very much welcome on this platform. Please do collude your badge and feel at home. Now, if you have not subscribed, I do kindly ask that you click that subscribe button. It is free to do so. By doing so, you do help this channel to grow in numbers. Also, please do like this video. By doing so, you help it to reach more people so that I can also be recognized. And thank you so much to each and every one of you who has been watching the ads. They also help me to grow financially on this platform. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you who has been supporting this channel since day one, and people who are new on this channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. In this video, we are going back to Judge Ratha's court, the Senzo Meyiwa Murder Trial. Now, I did post a video of Mngomezulu actually calling out Judge Ratha, calling him out that, you know, he needs to remember that he is not a party in the pleadings, he's not a party in the proceedings. And a lot of people, some people came out and said Mngomezulu is disrespecting the judge, and some people said that the accused in this case are actually supported. You know, why is it that people are happy that Mngomezulu actually called out the judge instead of focusing on what these accused people did? But there's something that I want us to go back to, and we will get to analyze this Senzo Meyiwa case, or maybe to talk about what is really happening, you know, the cell phones and all that. But for now, I just want us to look into the behavior, and I really want us to talk about this. And please do keep those comments coming. I really do appreciate them. Judge Ratha seems to have lost control of the court, because if we go back to the 23rd of May, 2024, Advocate Ramosepele also called out Judge Ratha, saying, you know what, I actually share the same sentiments as Advocate Mngomezulu. Yourself as a judge, Ratha, you are validating evidence for witnesses. So so this is what Judge Ratha does. He will keep looking or seeking clarity from what the witness is saying. He will keep saying, reminding witnesses that, remember, you said A, B, C, and D, without even waiting for the defense team to finish or to say whatever that they wanted to say, or even ask the witness. And Judge Ratha will actually, or even waiting for the witness to respond, Judge Ratha will respond. I mean, this is something that we see that is happening in court. And I've been wondering, did Judge Ratha really lose it? Is he really not able to manage his court? Because that is his court, for all honesty. But is he being a leader? Is because Advocate Ramosepele was actually saying it, that what, this needs to be fair. You need to be fair. You need to be fair. And Advocate Ramosepele did seem to be very much annoyed by this. This was on the 23rd of May 2024. He seemed to be very annoyed, and after that, he asked for a long adjournment. And Judge Ratha started laughing, I think by doing so, he was trying to maybe, to rub Ramosepele not to be angry, because he did, he was very angry and annoyed by what Judge Ratha has been doing. Just watch the clips and tell me what you think with regards to Judge Ratha, because now people are saying, on the previous video, people were saying, Advocate Mngomezulu is, he's not handling the situation very well. But we've seen this with Ramosepele as well. Ramosepele actually called him out. It's not just Advocate Mngomezulu. What is it that is happening in Judge Ratha's court, guys? Because this also shows, or it gives an impression that judges should, it's a good thing that they need to treat legal practitioners the way Judge Ratha is actually treating those legal practitioners in court. But thank you so much for watching the end until the end. I will see you on my next video.